Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, March 9th, 2023. Let's take a look what's going on the Forex calendar today. We got some data scheduled for release, and as you can see, of course, overnight important data had been published as well. This time, those data are from Japan in form of the gross domestic product for the fourth quarter. It looks like this data, there is no actual reading yet, so all we have to do is to take a look at the situation of the US dollar to the Japanese yen, and we will definitely do this later on. We got the RICS house price balance for the month of the February from the UK. As you can see, minus 48%, which beats the expectations of minus 49%. Building approvals from Australia, they dropped to the expected level as well. And during the London session, there isn't any data scheduled for release. Nevertheless, the New York session looks kind of interesting. Initially, jobless claims are scheduled for release at 2:30. Then we have some kind of let's say speeches from the Bank of Canada Senior Deputy Governor Rogers. As you can see, 7:30, and at the end of the day we got some data from the New Zealand in form of the business PMI. So kind of a let's say not that busy day on the Forex calendar. Nevertheless, there are some data that traders are waiting for, like initial jobless claims, of course. So we will definitely take a look at the euro dollar, but first let's take a look at the US dollar to the Japanese yen. US dollar to the Japanese yen 4-hour chart is still trading above the 50 periods moving average, above the 100 periods moving average. The recent high was made at 137.92. This high was made during the period when the RSI hit the extremely overbought market conditions. And as you can see, every time it happens, the market comes a little bit off this conditions in order to do some kind of a pullback. Nevertheless, the RSI is still above the level of 50. It's a strong RSI, and the bulls are still in charge of this market. No doubt about it. So right now, pullback cycle on a 4-hour chart of the US dollar to the Japanese yen. We got the recent high around here. Okay, 137.92. We got the recent low made during the pullback around 137.49, just above the 50 periods moving average, and the other technical support is located at 136.20. So in order to change the outlook from bullish to more bearish, the market must break below 135.27. This is the last important technical support for the bulls. So let's take a look how the British pound to Japanese yen reacted on the data. You can see here that that's kind of a different situation on this chart, because we are trading below 50 and 100 periods moving average. Our technical resistance, local technical resistance, is 162.84. Okay, so this is the technical resistance. It looks like the market wants to move lower. It looks like the market, if we put our line here from the low of the 3rd of the February, and this line will be, let me just take the magnet off. This line, let's say, would be somewhere there if we go by the extremes. Okay, so that's the trend line. It's still far away from the current market price. There is of course the technical support. The technical support is still located around the level of 161.64. It was tested once, and now the market is closed below the local technical resistance, below 100 periods moving average. So some kind of a bullish hammer pattern was made 4 hours ago. Nevertheless, there is no continuation, no confirmation and continuation after this hammer was made, and to be honest, momentum is still below the level of 50. So it looks like the bears are actually in control of this market. If we put our parallel channel here, okay, if we do our parallel channel from the bottom to the to, let's say, this level, we can see it clearly that the market moves inside of this panel right now in the upper half. But if it breaks below this technical support 161.66, we will be trading in the lower half. Okay, so please keep an eye on this situation as well. It doesn't look that stable. And euro to the Japanese yen, of course, the situation is quite similar. However, the euro is not that low as the other yen related pairs. What do we have here is, of course, the technical resistance and the swing high 145.51. right now we are approaching the technical support, located at the level of 144.07. so this is kind of a distribution cycle, because it looks like, okay, the market is under the bullish control, but we got some kind of flattening here happened between basically the level of 143.83 and the highs of 145.51. so that's the zone when bears might be making much more pressure on bulls, and bulls might be closing the long positions, at least in the short term. Momentum is below the level of 50 already, and that's the first time since the 3rd of the March. So definitely breakout below 100 periods moving average right now is 143.88 will have a negative consequences for bulls, and might push the prices lower, even towards the level of 142.53. So please keep an eye on the current market reaction and development on all of the euro related pairs. It looks like there might be a deeper pullback or a deeper correction in progress. Now the last market we are going to take a look at is Bitcoin, and the reason for that is because the market of Bitcoin keeps making lower lows. As you can see here, we broke below 22,000 already. We broke below yesterday's low to 21,854. We made another low, 21,601, and we are heading lower. This level, 21,383, is kind of an important level. Look at here. It's kind of an important level. It's been recognized and tested before. It was broken, then it was tested again. New high was made. And now we are approaching this level in order to test it. So please keep an eye on this level. Any breakout below this level will be another bearish signal, another bearish wave progression possibility. Okay, so of course we might set some kind of a zone here. 20,397, let's say 21,342, so almost like a $1,000 zone. Nevertheless, if the bulls want to continue the up move, they need to start doing it very, very, very soon. Otherwise, this will be the zone when the market participants, especially bulls, might throw a towel, and the Bitcoin will become completely under the bearish control. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.